Hi everybody, it's Brad and I am going to show you I have mealybugs. Here's some. Here's another one. I have them on a couple of plants and I just thought it may be good to show y'all what I've read, and it says use neem oil. And this one happens to be Captain Jack's. And I bought this one because it was readily available. I've never used this. Before, I have read where you could use a little bit of dishwashing liquid, a little bit of alcohol, and water, and it would get rid of them. And I have gotten rid of them that way, but it took forever. So this is a trial. You want to get rid of them as soon as you see them, because what the mealybugs do is the mealybugs suck the sap out of the plant and it will eventually kill the plant. So what this says do is I'm going to try to spread these little sticks just a little bit and spray right here pretty good. And hopefully this will completely get rid of the mealybugs. It has said that you need to spray it a couple of times, which is fine. I don't mind spraying a few times. When you spray for mealybugs, make sure you spray the underneath of your leaves. What mealybugs are also is, well, actually, I don't know what they are, except for a nuisance. They're a pain in the butt, but that's beside the point. You don't want to do it when it's real warm outside. It should be, I think it's 90 degrees or lower. I'm not sure about the gloves, but I'm doing them just as a precaution. I have read where you can bring them home from a nursery on your body and they get on your plants. It also said if you get pots from a nursery, they can be under the lip of your pot. Apparently, they just can travel almost any way possible. I also read, y'all, where this neem oil, when you use it, it smells like crap. So don't try to use it in the house. I'm standing on the back porch. Spray your whole plant. Mealybugs like to get in spaces of growth, like here between your leaves, on the bottoms of your leaves, here in the forks of the, I don't know if y'all can see it, but like here in the forks of your limbs, they like to get there. So you have to kind of like really, really look. They look like a little, I would tell you it looks like white mold, but it's kind of like a thick spider web, maybe a cotton ball. And if you take your finger and you mess with the little web spot, you can find the worm or the bug that's in it. The ones on this one I have been able to see, and I have diligently just sat and picked them off of this one. And there's that one done. Mealybugs will also live in your soil. Sometimes they say you have to get rid of the whole plant, just trash the whole thing and start over from scratch. And hopefully this will help people see a way to maybe get rid of them and how to treat them. I don't know, because like I said, I'm learning about them now. It also says once you treat your plant, to isolate your plant, do not put it in the direct sun. Put it where it can stay in a shade with minimal sun. So that is the mealybug lesson for tonight for right now. Thank you, y'all. Thank you for watching the video. Be sure to like and subscribe. And make any comments you would like to make.